Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in the lovely quiet Pernera and I'm doing a little update on the Bohemian Gardens Hotel, guys. They're having some major work done at the hotel. There's scaffolding up, looks like they're painting the outside of the hotel. There's a big crane. They're putting another story up there, guys, or two. I think there's two actually. Yeah, there's two there and two going up over this side. So lots and lots of work going on here, especially around the pool. Now it's amazing how fast they progress, guys. Last time we were here there was nothing up the top except scaffolding, and now the two stories on the right hand side are virtually being built and nearly going to be covered up. So you'll be amazed how quick these guys work. I think this place will be definitely ready for the season, guys. I wouldn't worry about that at all. I've seen some places that look like they're going to need another 2-3 years, and by the end of the month they were complete. It's amazing what they do. So let's go round to the pool area, have a look around. Now last time I was here there was a massive hole here. Now look, you see all the concrete's down, the stilts are there ready for some sort of pergola to be put up. The scaffolding here is being extended. Oh, look at these private pools. Last time we were here it was just a concrete wall and a hole, muddy old hole. Look at that, that's a complete pool in a matter of weeks. See what I mean? See how quick they are? Look at this, it's all been tiled, the infinity pool's been done. Oh look, next door's been done as well, and the other one. So these bungalows have got their own private infinity pools that is completely done and finished, I do believe, apart from grouting and a bit of painting. So there you are, and looks like the tiles have arrived for around the pool area, so that's going to start in a short while. I think they'll be done, guys, by the time the season starts. This will all be completed, I do believe. It looks like the chutes have all gone now. There was some chutes coming out the hallway, they've all gone, so inside's all done. Looks like the roof's done on the 2 floors at the top, the new floors. So there you are. And apparently, guys, the rooms here are perfect. They're not refurbishing the rooms, they are perfect. So we don't have to worry about that. So there you are. There's lots and lots of work being done. This area's been tidied up a little bit. There was poles and poles of pipes down here. They must have been refitted at the top. The solar panels are still here. They're going to go up the top. So we've got an environmentally friendly hotel. Look at that. Look at the amount of solar panels they're going to put up. Pallets and pallets of them. All going to go up onto the roof. I'm really impressed, guys. Really impressed. There we are. There's the bar there, the palm tree bar. Looks like they're not going to be touching that except a bit of painting. They've put a new wall round it. So, and the painting, guys, wouldn't take too long, does it? Would it? Round the bungalows just need a bit of painting, as I say. A few days work there, and then just round the pool. So I think they're nearly rough there, guys, apart from the 2 brand new stories that are going up at the top. I don't think anything's going to happen here, guys. This looks quite new, this terrace area here. Just round the pool now. As I say, that's going to be redone, I suspect. The infinity pools, yeah, they're done. Bit of painting there, as I say. And then this area here. There we are. Just a top layer of cement. And then tiled. And of course a new pergola. Well, I don't think there's that much more to do down here except on those 2 stories at the top. It looks like they've painted all the hotel. That's all painted and done. As I say, guys, it wasn't long ago we were last here and there was great big holes everywhere, mud and all sorts. Oh, look, buckets and buckets of paints in the skip. Yeah, it really is looking smart, isn't it? Look at that. So, Colin and Lydia, I think it's going to be ready for your holiday. Really are doing a fabulous job. I don't think I'd like to go up on that crane now. Oh, there isn't a little cabin, is there? Oh, how do they do that? Is it remote control? How does that work, guys? Can't see any little cabin that someone sits in. Let's go around the other side. I'm intrigued now. How does that crane work? Let's go around here. As I said, Pernera is lovely and quiet, guys. Now, the beach is not too far away. You'd go up the road here, turn right. Probably a 5 or 10 minute walk, guys, but if you cut through this hotel here, you'll make it in less than 5 minutes. Right, let's go and have a look at that cabin, or how that crane works, shall we? So it's lovely and quiet here, guys. That's what I like about the place, lovely and quiet. Now, there are plenty of restaurants and bars you can have a slow beer down here, guys. Now let's have a look at the crane again. Keep going off that subject, don't I? I don't know why. Oh, look, he obviously just stands up there and uses the crane that way, unless it's remote control, unless there's a wire coming down. Could be a wire coming down and he controls it from down here. I think he controls the crane from down here. I can't see someone standing on that platform all day waiting for them to need some sort of crane assistance. I think there's some sort of control down here, guys. There you are. So that's the Bohemian Gardens. Ain't it lovely? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.